signature confirms it's the Mi-24. See the tail section here.
Running the depth analysis now. The integrity looks compromised.
Lower it steady now, watch the swell. Keep tension on those lines.
The structural integrity assessment shows critical corrosion depth on the tail rotor.
Confirmed. The ultrasonic data support the remaining strength calculation. Pressure holding steady at nominal. Seal integrity confirmed. We are good to go.
Ready for deployment.
Acknowledged. Lowering to target depth.
Yes, we got it up! Great job, everyone!
Hold the rotation. We are lined up on the mark.
Roger, beginning descent now. Steady, steady.
Clear to lift on the main hook. Roger that, taking the strain now. Clear the deck below.
Keep moving, folks. Clear the way. It's a tight squeeze.
Roger that. Ground control. We are clear of the flatbed and traversing to the maintenance bay. Loaded, stable.
Keep it coming down slow. Right there, hold it. Okay, confirm contact on all points. She's secure. Okay, ease it in slowly. Watch the alignment pin. Pin engaged. Starting torque sequence. Confirmed. Rigging is spot on.
Alignment confirmed. We have mechanical lock.
Roger that. Final torque sequence initiated. Milestone achieved, boss.
Gear retraction successful. The locks are engaged.
Confirmed. Ready for sign-off.
Does this match the 44 pattern we saw?
Yes, the green over the sand color.
We need to adjust this tape slightly to the left.
Gear retraction successful. Confirm green light.
Affirmative, green light. Proceed with rotor articulation check.
No seepage here.
The heat exchangers look clear.
All right, green light for the first start sequence.
All parameters are within tolerance, and the documentation is fully compliant.
Confirmed. The final validation sequence is complete. The aircraft is airworthy. We need to review the system's bypass limitations again, especially the engine restart procedure.
Understood. Confirming the emergency egress sequence now.
Rotor head secured?
Checklist complete, Captain. She's ready.
Beautiful. Let's fly.
Hardpoint 3, engaged.
Confirmed functional. Move to 4.
Look at the riveting here. It's perfect.
So the restoration team really focused on authenticity.
As you can see, the pilot position is on the left. The weapons officer managed targeting here.
How accurate were these systems?
She looks beautiful, just like I remember her.
We flew many missions in this bird.
It is an honor to stand here with you.
The target was obscured, but we pushed through. I swear the noise was deafening that day. You always said that.
Go ahead and move that stick. Feel the resistance. That's how the pilot controlled the pitch.
Wow, it's heavy.
Check the alignment on the starboard coupling. Make sure it's within tolerance.
Copy that. Checking now.
The internal structure here is highly detailed.
And these photographs corroborate the armament placement.
We need to finalize the long-term care strategies.
Based on this climate data. Absolutely. Ensuring the helicopter.
Well done, team. A true legacy project.
It looks absolutely stunning. I can't believe it. Look at this. It's a woman.
She was the pilot.